This is at the Daley building in DePaul University at the downtown campus. I think this is the tallest building on the campus. Kind of slow. Yeah, only 600, terribly fast. Looks like there's a service car. Oh, it's modernized. It has monitor fixtures. All right, back down. Looks like these have gotten a couple mods based on the multiple covered up escutcheon holes. Alright, down to 8. Stopping.
17th floor, going down.
1. Yeah. Yeah. I'll go. This is for a project.
No, you're good. I get it.
Take care.
In there.
All right, that's it.